food, water, and air. Three things in order to keep a person alive. And fortunately, here on Bedford Park campus of Flinders University, we have access to all three of them. Of course, here on campus, you can get fresh-made foods and drinks from cafes and restaurants. But what if it's after 6:30 p.m. or you're simply shy and antisocial? Is ordering Uber Eats with $5 delivery fee and 30 minutes waiting time really your only option? Well, please allow me to introduce the cream of human civilization, a symbol of mutual trust and engineering ingenuity, the vending machines. Bedford Park campus houses more than 30 units of vending machines spreading across the entire campus. It's easy enough to find one, but how about using one? If you know what you want, then too easy, you'll be out of here in no time and get to your class before the roll call. Unfortunately, for the rest of us, there are just too many options. A typical vending machine on campus will hold anywhere between 9 to 41 different items. Everybody shops differently, but we think they can all be summarized into two universal systems, the chosen one and the analyzer. The chosen one is the quickest, where you don't consider anything else but the one thing you truly love. If that thing is in stock, you buy it. If not, walk away. The analyzer is quite the opposite, where you go through every option and evaluate them individually based on current demand, pricing, packaging design, and previous user experience. The item scores highest point, or the one item that is the only one left after going through the evaluation pipeline is the one you're buying. It cannot give you chippies that are smoking hot, or an amazing flat white with 2 sugars. But it is comforting to know that as long as the power grid is up and running, this metal box will always have your back.